way to the left hand side, come down, grab your ankles, put your chest to the floor. Bend your knees, stretch up and back. Feet shoulders width apart. Feet shoulders width apart. Toes parallel. Knees off straight. Turn all the way to the left hand side. Come down. Grab your ankles, put your chest to the floor. Go all the way up, then feel where they are, and all the way to the right hand side, down. Chin your knees, or just the floor. Up, change, down. Coming up, change, down. Coming up, turn your left foot out 90 degrees. Turn your legs locked, knees locked straight, turning all the way to the outside. Coming down, grab your ankles, try and pull.
This kick, the front side kick, is a unique kick to Wing Chun. The purpose of the kick is to be able to, the front foot is always in, always turned in when you are stepping in Wing Chun. Because of that, doing any other kind of kick takes longer to do. So when you're in a place where you have to rapidly chase someone or you have to kick them very, very quickly, the purpose is to conserve the shape so you can kick immediately. So it'll be front kick and you can hit with both hands immediately. So the idea is to keep it on its side, so you can kick low or you can kick high, higher, and still conserve the angle and still be able to hit with both hands. Most people do side kicks side on, so this hand now has to be turned to come back in.
Bend your knees, stretch up and back. Feet shoulders width apart, toes parallel, knees off straight, turn all the way to the left hand side, come down, grab your ankles, put your chest to the floor. Go all the way up, then feel where they are, and all the way to the right hand side, down. Chin your knees, or just the floor. Up, change, down. Coming up, change, down. Coming up,